The group, which was making masks for healthcare workers, has now extended their outreach to other people in Athens after the new CDC recommendations were released. Grady News Source reporter Anna Glenn Grove explains the change.
This week, the group Mask Making for Athens Healthcare Workers made a name change to Mask Making for Athens. This new title came on Sunday after the CDC released recommendations that cloth masks should be worn in public places such as grocery stores or pharmacies. One administrator for the mask making group, Margaret Davis, said the group has been completing requests in waves. First was healthcare workers, and the next wave has just begun.
Well, with this new directive, we really need to look at who else we can support, with these masks, with the idea that maybe we had gotten a lot of the frontline servers the masks that they needed.
The mask makers will now work to provide for other local essential service providers, such as postal workers, fire and police departments, local restaurants, and more. Workers with medium exposure risk need to wear some combination of a face mask, gloves, or a gown, according to Occupational Safety and Health Act, or OSHA. Entities that fall into this category include schools and any kind of high-traffic retail store. Along with this, Mask Making for Athens is also focused on getting masks to low-income communities. They will use a contact in the public housing sector to provide these masks to those who need them. The group was started on Facebook and now has almost 1,000 members. But Davis is concerned that the reach on this platform is not wide enough.
We're also keeping in mind that there's a fourth wave for us, which is lower income people who might not be as represented within our social media circles.
Davis said the group is simultaneously trying to recruit volunteers and expand the list of recipients. They want to make sure that everyone from hourly workers to those who do not have the time or money to devote to making a mask will be given one.
We want to make sure that every man, woman, and child in Athens has a mask.
For more information on how to make a mask for yourself, whether in Athens or at home, head to our Grady News Source Facebook page for a tutorial. Anna Glenn Grove, Grady News Source.